हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, तो आज का हमारा क्वेश्चन है 27 पावर एक्स प्लस 343 पावर एक्स डिवाइड बाय 63 पावर एक्स प्लस 147 पावर एक्स दिस इज इक्वल्स टू 37 डिवाइड बाय 21 एंड हियर वी विल फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स। तो देखिए स्टूडेंट्स, इस वाली प्रॉब्लम को हम किस प्रकार से सॉल्व करेंगे। हियर 27, दिस 27 is same as 3 power 3 bracket power x plus and 343 is same as 7 power 3 bracket power x and divide by 63 is same as 3 power 2 times 7 and bracket power x plus 147 is same as 7 power 2 times 3 bracket power x and this is equals to 37 divided by 21. Now we know that a power m bracket power n this is equals to a power n bracket power m. Here this power are interchanged by using this rule. So this 3 and this x are interchanged by using this rule. So in numerator 3 power x bracket power 3 plus and here 7 power x bracket power 3 and divide by, here we will apply this rule, a times b bracket power m this is equals to a power m times b power m. If we apply this rule here, then 3 power 2 bracket power x times 7 power x plus, and here if we apply this rule, then 7 power 2 bracket power x times 3 power x and this is equals to 37 divided by 21. Now in numerator is 3 power x bracket power 3 plus 7 power x bracket power 3 and divide by, in denominator here we will apply this rule, then this 2 and this x is interchanged, then 3 power x bracket power 2 times 7 power x plus, and here if we apply this rule again, then 7 power x bracket power 2 times 3 power x and this is equals to 37 divided by 21. Now look carefully, 3 power x, 3 power x, 3 power x, 7 power x, 7 power x, 7 power x. So if we put 3 power x this is equals to a and 7 power x this is equals to b, then in numerator a power 3 plus b power 3 and divide by a power 2 times b plus b power 2 times a and this is equals to 37 divided by 21. Now in numerator a cube plus b cube, we know that a cube plus b cube is same as a plus b times a square plus b square minus a times b, and in denominator a square times b plus b square times a and this is equals to 37 divided by 21. Now in numerator a plus b times a square plus b square minus a times b, and in denominator here if we take common a times b, then if we take a times b is common, then a square b is divided by a times b, then we get a plus, and b square a is divided by a times b, then we get b, and this is equals to 37 divided by 21. Now this a plus b and this a plus b is cancelled out because students a plus b is positive, because here a is equals to 3 power x and b is equals to 7 power x. So this a plus b and this a plus b is cancelled out. So in numerator a square plus b square minus a times b, and here if we divide by a times b and here a times b and here a times b, and this is equals to 37 divided by 21. Now a square divided by a times b, then we get a divided by b plus b square is divided by a times b, then we get b divided by a, and this a times b and this a times b is cancelled out, so here negative 1 and this is equals to 37 divided by 21. Now here this is negative 1 and a times b plus b times a, this is equals to, if this negative 1, if we take in right hand side, then this is positive 1, and 37 divided by 21 plus 1, 37 divided by 21 plus 1. Then here in left hand side is a times b plus b times a, and if we add 37 divided by 21 plus 1, then we get 58 divided by 21. Here a times b plus b times a, a divided by b plus b divided by a, this is equals to 58 divided by 21. Here a divided by b plus b divided by a, this is equals to 58 divided by 21. Now if we put a divided by b, this is equals to u. Then if we take reciprocal both sides, then b divided by a is equals to 1 by u. Then a divided by b is replaced by u plus b divided by a is replaced by 1 by u, and this is equals to 58 divided by 21. Now here in denominator is u and here is denominator is 21. So if we multiply both sides 21 u, then 21 u is multiplied by u, then we get 21 u square plus 21 u is multiplied by 1 by u, then we get 21, and this is equals to this 21 and this 21 is cancelled out, so here 58 times u. Now if we take all the expression in same side, then you will get 21 u square minus 58 times u plus 21, and this is equals to 0. Now here this is quadratic equation in terms of u, so here students we will apply middle term split and then find out the value of u. So 21 u square minus 58 u is same as 49 times u minus 9 times u plus 21, and this is equals to 0. Here look carefully this expression. 7 times u is common. If we take 7 times u is common, then 21 times u square is divided by 7 times u, then we get 3 times u, and minus 49 times u is divided by 7 times u, then we get minus 7. And here look carefully this expression, minus 3 is common. If we take minus 3 is common, then minus 9 times u is divided by minus 3, then we get 3 times u, and plus 21 is divided by minus 3, then we get minus 7, and this is equals to 0. Here 3 times u minus 1, 3 times u minus 1 is common. If we take 3 times u minus 7 is common, then 7 times u minus 3, this is equals to 0. Here product of two numbers is 0. Either 3 times u minus 7, this is equals to 0. 7 times u minus 3, this is equals to 0. So here 3 times u, this is equals to 7, and if divided both sides 3, then this 3 and this 3 is cancelled out, so u is equals to 7 divided by 3. And here 7 times u, this is equals to 3. Now if divided by both sides 7, then this 7 and this 7 is cancelled out, so u is equals to 3 by 7. Now we know that value of u is here value of u is a divided by b. So this u is replaced by a divided by b, this is equals to 7 divided by 3, and here this u is replaced by a divided by b, this is equals to 3 divided by 7. Now, and value of a is 3 power x and value of b is 7 power x. 3 power x divided by 7 power x, this is equals to 7 divided by 3, and this is replaced by 3 power x divided by b is replaced by 7 power x, this is equals to 3 by 7. So we know that a power m divided by b power m, this is equals to a divided by b bracket power m. If we apply this rule here, then 3 divided by 7 bracket power x, this is equals to 7 divided by 3, and here power 1. And here if we apply this rule, then 3 divided by 7 bracket power x, this is equals to 3 divided by 7. Now we know that students, if a power m, this is equals to a power n, this implies m is equals to n. Here base is same and then power is also same. So first here we make base is same. Here base is 3 by 7 and here base is 7 by 3. So first students, we will apply this rule, a divided by b bracket power m, this is equals to b divided by a bracket power minus m. So here in right hand side we will apply this rule, then 3 by 7 bracket power minus 1, and left hand side is 3 divided by 7 bracket power x. Now here we will apply this rule. If base is same, then power is also same, because here equal. So if base is same, then power is same, so x is equals to minus 1, and here we will take power 1. Then 3 by 7, 3 by 7. Base is same, then power is same if we apply this rule. So x is equals to 1. So our solution is x is equals to minus 1 and x is equals to 1. I hope students you enjoy this video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.